Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Amaya. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right. So, what did you do earlier, Amaya?
I just watch, not
Oh, you
bye
just
bye.
watch TV or with your iPad?
If you have an iPhone,
Oh, you don't have an iPad, so you just watch
not
on
TV.
TV. Okay. All right. So, Amaya, this afternoon, we are going to learn math and we are
Math,
going to skip count
math,
by
no, no.
7.
Math,
Oh, we
what
will
is
skip count
math?
by 7. 7.
Why seven? I do not skip that by seven all alone.
Oh, don't worry. We are going to practice on it first. Okay? All right. So hold on. Let me just show you the screen. Okay, there you go.
Um,
All right. So let's try to memorize the number first. 7,
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 67,
63.
63, 70,
Okay, one more. 7,
7,
14,
14,
21,
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50, 56,
63.
53, and 70.
Okay, 63 and 70. All right. So, one last time to see the numbers before I am going to cover it.
Meow,
Ready?
meow, 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 meow,
Let's look at the
meow.
numbers carefully. 7. Okay, go, Amaya.
7, 14,
21,
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 33, 70, 7, 14, 7, 14,
63,
60,
70.
70,
Okay, this time without mistakes. Ready, go. 7,
7, 14, 21, 28, 20. I mean, 37,
35. Look at the numbers carefully.
35,
42,
42, 49,
and
67,
56, 63, and 70.
7. This is really sweet.
Okay,
No,
now
yum, yum, yum.
skip count. 7,
7, 14, 21, 28. Can you lip sync it? Can you lip sync?
okay, go. You're doing well on it. So 28, what is next?
30, 28,
Thir-
35,
What is next?
42, 42,
next?
42,
40,
40,
49.
49,
Okay, next. 56.
Huh?
56,
63, 70.
63, and 70. Okay, one last time. Go. 7,
7,
focused. 7, or
7,
14.
14,
What is next? Okay, what is next for 14?
um,
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's do it from the top. Let's focus. Ready? Go. 7,
7, 14, 20, 28,
21, 28.
21, 28, 20, 35,
Very good.
42,
Very good. 49.
59, 63, 70,
Oh, not yet. 56.
56, 63, 70.
Okay, that is much way better than kanina. So this time, let's try to answer the numbers in here. Okay, look at that one. 7 times 4. 7 times 4. Okay, let's skip count together. Let's skip count by 7. 4 times 7.
7, 7, 14,
21. And last number? 20.
29,
28.
28.
Okay, 7 times 4 is 28. How about 7 times 8?
7 times.
Mm-mm.
What do you mean, two?
Okay, let's do it together.
Is
Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Go. 7,
9,
14,
14,
21,
31, 26,
28,
28, 20, 32,
35,
35,
42,
42,
49,
49,
50,
50. 59. I mean 56.
56. Okay, 7
It's so
times
hard to
8
skip
is
count.
56. Okay, it's okay, Amaya. I know in no time you can already do this without help. You just need to practice it regularly. Okay, let's go to 7. 7 times 5. Okay, can you do 7 times 5? Oh, 7 times 5. Can you do it or you need help? Okay, let's go. 7 times 5. Ready, go. 7,
7, 14,
21,
24,
28, 30,
30,
35,
39.
35.
Oh, yeah, 35.
Okay, how about 7 times 9? Okay, look at the number. 7 times 9.
M-O.
Or 7 times 9, Amaya. What's the answer? 7 times
Okay,
9.
7, 63.
Okay, very good. You did it.
Oh,
Okay, how about 7 times 5?
35.
Okay, good. 7 times 7.
7, 14, 24,
28,
29,
35,
35, 52,
42,
42, 42.
49. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. How about 7 times 3?
24.
Is it 24?
Oh, no, not 24.
What's the answer?
7, 14, 24.
No,
What? What is next?
21.
Huh? 21.
Okay, 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, next is 7 times 8.
56.
Good. 7 times 6.
7,
Yes.
7, 40, 7, 14, 21, 29,
28.
28,
35.
35,
Last one. 40.
35, 43.
42. 7 times 6, that is 42. Okay, look at the next number now. 7 times 1. 7
7,
times 1. Okay, 7. 7 times
7,
2. 7 times 2.
14,
14. Very good. 7 times 4.
28.
28. Good job,
There's coffee.
Amaya.
Let's
Oh, yes. Now, let's practice more with the table of 7. Okay? All right.
Is that all?
We
No,
will
no,
need to
no.
practice more on the
That,
table of 7.
that
Okay. Let's
is
start
only
with
one.
this one. 7
Is
times
only one.
1.
Is it only one now?
Oh, we still have one more after this.
Two.
Yes. Okay, let's do it now. Ready? Go. 7 times 1.
7.
Very good. 7 times 2.
14.
Oh, good job. 7 times 3.
21.
Very good. 7 times 4.
29.
No. 28. Okay, 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5. 7 times 5.
7.
Yes, 7.
14. 21. 28. 35.
Very good. 35. Next number, 7 times 6. 7 times 6 equals 4,
4.
40. Okay, what is 7 times 6? You forgot? Oh, if you forgot the number, you can just add 7 to 35. So 35 plus 7, what's the answer?
35. 36. 30. 37. 30.
38, 39,
39.
40,
41.
41, and 40.
Yeah, 42.
42. Okay, so 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 now, Amaya.
42. 43. I mean, 43. 43. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49.
Okay, very good. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56,
Very good. Okay. And 7 times 9?
63,
Very good. 7 times 10?
70.
70. Okay, good job, Amaya. All right, so let's try to do this one. Okay, look at the number. 7 times 3.
Oh, there's still more.
Yeah. What about 7 times 3? What's the answer for 7 times 3?
4, 5,
7,
6,
14,
7, 8, 9, 10.
hmm?
Huh?
It's
Wait.
7 times 3. So you have to skip count by 7 3 times.
Oh, yeah, I have to add 3,
So 7,
4,
14,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
but it's 3. So you have triple 7. That is 7 plus 7.
14.
So 7, 14,
21.
21. Now 7 times 6.
Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26.
7 times 6. So you have to skip count. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 4,
40.
40,
What? 42.
42. Okay, next. 7 times 9. 7 times 9.
Come on.
7 times 9. Oh, this is your
7, 14, 21,
very good. 28,
28,
35,
35,
42. There you go.
42,
49.
43,
Oh, 49,
49,
56,
56,
and what's next? 60,
60,
63. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 5, Amaya. What's 7 times 5?
7 times 9,
5. 5. 7 times 5. Seven times 5. What's the answer? Or if it's hard for you, you can switch the number. 5 times 7. Can you still remember what is 5 times 7?
Wait, I don't need to switch.
Okay, go.
Oh, yeah, I need to switch. 5, 4,
Oh no,
2,
5, 10,
5, 10. 4, 7, 11,
again, 5,
5,
10,
10,
15,
15, 16,
20,
20, 21,
25.
25, 30, 35,
Okay, what's the answer?
40,
Oh, 7 times 5 only. 30,
30, 5.
5. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1, Amaya.
Switch. 7.
7. 7 times 7.
Switch.
Oh, you cannot switch that because they have the same numbers.
Comment.
7 times 7. What's 7 times 7? It's what number? Okay, look. If 7 times 6 is 42, so 7 times 7 is 40. What's that?
49.
49. Great job, Amaya. 7 times 2, Amaya. 7 times 2.
14.
Very good. Okay, next. 7 times 8. 7 times 8. Look at that one. So if 7 times 7 is 49, so 7 times 8 equals 50. What's the answer?
Seven times 8.
Yep, 7 times 8. Okay, let's skip count.
7.
7,
14.
14,
14.
21,
21. 29.
8, 28,
28.
35,
35. 62.
no, it's not. 56. 7 times 8 is what, and what's the number? Amaya? 50, 56. Okay, look at the next number. 7 times 10. 7 times 10, go. Oh, you know this one. 7 times 10. The last number?
17.
70. Okay, good. 7 times 4, Amaya. Okay, last one. 7 times 4.
28.
28. Very good, Amaya. You did it. So we just need to practice more on the table of 7. But you're doing well, Amaya. Okay, so that would be all for today,
Oh, no.
Amaya.
I should be now.
Okay,
Okay.
bye.